Hi, this is Being Amrita Chef and Beyond, and like you have been watching, I have come up with this exciting playlist for playdates. Yes, playdates can be birthday parties, they can be project parties, they can be just about anything. It can be at your house, it can be at your friend's house. What does it comprise of? Yes, lot of halla gulla, lot of masti, a lot of food as well, right? So that's why some fun recipes which are healthy too. So let's begin with today's recipe, which is yummy Rajma and Paneer Tikkis. Now again, a very easy peasy recipe. You know, my focus is always on trying to do recipes that are not very time consuming, not very tough to put together, because at the end of the day, I do understand that we women have a lot in our hands, especially mothers, right? We have to look after our kids, the entire family, the home, and make sure that children still think that we are the best mother in the entire world, right? So it's very important that the recipes are easy, quick, but without any compromise on taste and health. So that's why easy recipes. Now here I have some red rice poha, your regular poha. You get the healthier, more fibrous red rice poha. And now, last but not the least, some healthy, full of calcium paneer. I have grated the paneer and I have added it to the mixture. Here I'm going to put the gas on so that the pan starts heating up while we get this mixture ready. Now some seasoning, some salt to taste, a little bit of crushed black pepper and some mixed herbs. These are dried herbs, so I'm going to use that. Well, if you want to make this into a little more advanced recipe, you can even add some fresh herbs to it. You can chop up some fresh thyme or some rosemary, because it really goes well with Rajma. I've used soaked and boiled Rajma in this recipe and it is ready to be cooked. Lovely. Now all we have to do is we are going to make small little patties out of this. You know, children, they just like to eat something that sounds amazing and looks amazing. And as long as we give it a nice name, a good presentation, well, half the job is done. And similarly, we are going to make the rest of them. The pan seems hot. I'm going to add some oil to it. So now these are done. And now we are going to shallow fry them. I've added some oil, it's hot. And now I'm going to add a little bit of butter to it also. Now can you see how good is the combination? We have protein in the form of red beans, which is Rajma. Then we have good quality carbohydrates in the form of red rice poha. And of course we have good high calcium content paneer, right? Let's start making these yummy Rajma and Paneer Tikkis. Everything is already cooked, and now the moment you add some butter, you get a nice nutty buttery flavor as well and a gorgeous golden color almost immediately. So this is done, and here I have a pretty plate in which I am going to take out these. All right, and then I have some yummy ketchup and mayonnaise mixed sauce, which you can serve, and then put some colorful spoons, and you have a perfect playdate recipe ready for you. I hope you like this recipe. Do follow me on all my social media platforms, and do not forget to subscribe to Being Amrita Chef and Beyond for more such exciting playdate recipes.